Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule on Notion. First, let's set up your workspace. You'll want to create a new page and then add a database. This database will be the heart of your scheduling system. You can choose a table view or a calendar view to start, depending on your preference. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later. This foundational step takes just a few moments. Now, let's add some essential properties to your database to make it functional. A date property is crucial for setting deadlines and tracking durations. You'll also want a status property to clearly see where each task stands, perhaps with 3 options like to do, in progress, and done. If you're collaborating, a person property allows you to assign tasks. Finally, a priority property helps you focus on what's most important, using categories like high, medium, or low. With your properties in place, let's explore how to visualize your schedule. Notion allows you to create various views from the same database. A calendar view is excellent for seeing deadlines at a glance, while a list view provides a detailed breakdown. You can filter these views to show only your tasks or specific projects, making your workspace highly personalized. Sorting by date or priority helps you manage your workload efficiently. Remember to save these custom views for easy navigation. To take your scheduling further, consider advanced techniques. You can create database templates for recurring tasks, pre-filling properties like status or priority, saving you valuable time. Linking your schedule to other databases, such as project trackers, provides a holistic overview of your work. Don't forget to use Notion's built-in reminder feature to get timely notifications for important deadlines. For those who love data, explore formulas to calculate progress or track remaining time on projects, adding powerful insights to your schedule.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.